Hello all and welcome back. I hope you're all doing really well. I had to drop this video real quick because there's been a massive update on Hedera and HBAR. 𝗟𝗜𝗙𝗘𝗥𝗥𝗔𝗟𝗦, who is the CEO and founder of EMTECH INC, which provide or have been looking to provide a sandbox solution for central bank digital currency or CBDC testing, has basically said their initial product effectively is going to go live, app.emtech.com, integrating open, innovative, central-to-central digital banks, and built APIs to connect them easier and faster to clear fintechs doing remittances, digital asset payments for fintech inclusion and stability. They're working with the central bank over in Ghana, so Africa. She mentions that Africa fintechs have so much innovation coming. We're working with central banks to safely modernise their regulatory environment. And the real kicker is, and yes, we'll be exposing our test CBDC APIs for faster central bank testing before launching. This lowers their reputational risk, and this is what we mean by a modern central banking built on Hedera. So here is a company effectively that has built a sandbox environment for governments to test their CBDCs, and it is utilising Hedera. We're going to see more governments probably on board and begin to use these sandbox environments, which are utilising Hedera, and potentially working with EMTECH. So if we flick over to this article as well, we can see that the EMTECH leadership and founding team also includes Dr. Maurice, a finance industry regulator with an extensive portfolio of risk management duties, who served at the Federal Reserve, the US Treasury Department, and as an advisor to central banks in emerging and transitional markets. So EMTECH have already partnered with an emerging and transitional market, being Ghana and Africa, and considering that one of the leadership and founding team members has also worked extensively with the Federal Reserve and the US Treasury Department, there is a great or high probability that EMTECH may end up working with the US government with this new sandbox product to help them develop their CBDC. The US government has been pushing out a lot of articles and reports recently, as well as academic papers on their CBDCs. So, as I mentioned, EMTECH effectively, they're launching this platform, promotes financial inclusion, accelerates safe innovation, drives economic development, modernises regulatory environments, creates financial market resilience, and lowers the cost of innovation. So effectively, they built a sandbox where CBDC infrastructure can be tested, and it utilises Hedera. It is built on the Hedera ecosystem and uses hashgraph technology to provide this sandbox. If we scroll down to the bottom as well, partner with industry leaders, we can see Hedera Hashgraph being listed as number one, GIC, we can also see MasterCard and IBM. Obviously IBM as well being a governing council member for Hedera, and we've got Microsoft as well. So absolutely massive that this has sort of come out of the woodwork in the last few hours. Massive steps forward for Hedera. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a quick update. There's so much news coming out for Hedera and HBAR recently. It's pretty difficult just down top of it. I hope you're enjoying these types of videos. Leave a like if you like, drop a comment if you've got something to say, consider subscribing because I will be covering all of this information as it comes out. Hopefully we start to see some price appreciation for HBAR. Take care all.